Hey Diva Dolls, this is CRYSTALCHANEL and I am back with yet again another glasses haul. Now y'all know, if you've been here for a while, if you're a true Diva Doll, you know I am as blind as a bat. So yes, I have color contacts, yes I wear prescription glasses, but my job is to be a resource for you. I partnered with Voogueme and I'm going to be sharing with you my top picks from their website and a little bit about their company and what I think overall. You are interested in the prescription glasses and you need more details? Stay tuned. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell. And again, if you are an existing Diva Doll, welcome back. But let's get into this haul. This is how everything comes. So I think it's a cute little box. It's good packaging. It does come from overseas, I do believe, so just don't be worried about that, okay? Like, based off of what we're hearing about the virus and shipping and things like that, you should be okay. But I just wanted to share with you the way the package comes and then how everything is individually protected. They also give you this little tool. That way it's like a screwdriver with extra nose pieces. That way if your glasses were to break or something like that, you can fix it. How they come. You have your protector, you have your microfiber cloth, and then you have your glasses. These have a really nice white marbled effect on the tips, which I think is really pretty. They have a color that's basically all white on the outside. So I hope you can see that. Yeah, you can see that better now. They're completely all white metal, and then it has like this, I don't know, it's like marble, like white marble. Check out the actual type of lens shape it has. It's like a cat eye, but it's not over exaggerated because I've seen that happen too. I'm getting the sexy librarian vibes, like get into it, like naughty school teacher vibes. Like, these are very pretty. They're dainty, but they're stylish. So if you don't want to do too much, you can rock these. Ooh, these are funky. Look at this. Okay, first thoughts. Really big cat eye. Just like I said, other pair were cat eye, but these are big. These are really funky because look at the geometric shapes and the colors, like orange and black. So hopefully it picks up on camera for you, but I thought that's really different. These are also like a metal frame. I'm not sure exactly on the material, so I'll be sure to put the links down below. That way you dolls can check out the links and the details. But it seems to be metal and it's like a gold color. Please don't come for me. Don't think I'm bougie or whatever, because depending on the jewelry that I wear for the day is me changing my glasses to match, okay? So being that Voogueme has the vast selection, you can get glasses in a silver, get glasses in a gold, and match your jewelry tones. This is how they look on. These are really big. And I got a big head, okay? So be mindful of that. If y'all want, you can even measure your face so that when you're looking at buying glasses online, you can actually tell how big those glasses are gonna come. So these are definitely large frame glasses. This is from the side. How y'all feel about these? Let me know. Leave a comment. I need y'all to let me know which ones are a go.
Also, they do carry earrings, so I picked a couple of pair. I wanted to show you the quality and how they look. These are hoop earrings. They're gold and they're very lightweight, which I appreciated. And then next, these are a little bit more fancier. I love the crystal beads, and again, I'll put the link to everything that I picked out, but these are really glamorous and really pretty and girly. But yes, just want to let you know there's other options on the website. And now back to the glasses.
These have some weight to them. Now, again, I am an avid contact and glasses wearer, and that's something I notice now, like with certain frames, if they're too heavy, I kind of go away from them. Of course, you can't tell because you're online shopping, but that's what I'm here for. I am a resource. But long story short, these got some weight to them, so they feel like if you have them on too long, it's possible that you have that little soreness on your nose. but these don't have like the actual, I don't know what to call them, like the little pads there, nose pads. So maybe it won't be that bad, but I just love a clear frame. Like, you cannot go wrong with a clear frame. Like, I not only match my glasses to my mood and my jewelry tone that I'm wearing that day, but I also match them to my makeup and to my outfit. So long story short, they're clear. You can't go wrong with that. So this is how the little ear, like little arm or whatever. I am feeling these. These are like everyday glasses. I think these will look good on men and women. A lot of times when I search the website, you can search by color, you can search by frame size and frame shape, or men, women. I like to go in the unisex section. So please do not be afraid to step outside the box and go to the other categories. But these ones are really pretty, and yeah. There's so many options on the website. Of course, I had to play a little bit. I had to choose something totally outside of my norm, and this is it. I don't even care for the color orange, but I was thinking I have red glasses, black glasses, brown glasses, clear glasses, white glasses. I don't have orange glasses. So when I saw them, I thought it was cute. I love this circle. It reminds me of like Harry Potter. I don't know, these are like plastic. They're very, very lightweight. I can see like there's the metal going through the clear. These are cute. These are different. They are definitely small for my face. So again, I would recommend for y'all to go ahead and measure your face, measure the PD distance, which is like from one pupil to the other. They give you a ruler in the box, but obviously you should try to measure beforehand when you're ordering your glasses, so that when you are on the website and you're looking through, you can kind of tell if the glasses will be too big or too small. So these ones, again, they might work if I didn't have these lashes on, but I don't know. I can say this, I'm not mad at the color. So they are very lightweight. The color I think is really pretty. Definitely not boring. You're gonna get lots of compliments, lots of stares. So I strongly believe your eyeglasses should be a reflection of your personality, and just let them speak for you. Okay, dolls, so that is it. Please let me know, what do you think of this video? Leave the comments down below. If you've tried Voogueme before, leave your review. Let us know how it is. This is a resource for y'all. Like, I want y'all to come to my channel for anything fashion, beauty, plus size, curvy, whatever. Like, let me help you. Gone are the days of overpriced, expensive glasses. I, again, approve of Voogueme. There's nothing wrong with saving a little money online. There's nothing wrong with picking glasses that are different, unique, other than the traditional ones that you may be used to. And I love the fact that there's such a vast option as far as what you can pick, so you're not walking around here looking like everyone else. Down below, I am gonna put the details, which are the links, as well as the discount code. You're not gonna hook my dolls up. I enjoy making these videos for you dolls. Please check out my Instagram and my Snapchat if you haven't already. And my name is @ChrissieTheDoll. Now keep in mind, I also have a vlog channel and a fitness channel, so be sure you're subscribed to this channel as well as those, and I'll put those links down below in the box. Everything that I picked up here today, I'm gonna link down below as well. And of course, I gotta find y'all a coupon code. Be sure to check down below for any discounts and offers that I can find. Hope all y'all are being safe out there. It's a crazy time. We are all in this together, and wash your hands, do your social distancing, just be safe, use common sense. And my heart is going out to anyone who's been affected by this. It's serious, y'all, but long story short, you don't have to worry about that so far, based off what they're saying as far as shipping and getting things from across seas and all that. So I just wanted to throw that out there. I want to thank you dolls so much for all of your love and support, and as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.